Hello and welcome to our LRXL Network. I'm your friend, and this amazing and unique video I will show you how you can create a beautiful KPI indicator chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already created this beautiful KPI indicator chart with the use of this productivity data. And if I will change the productivity data, let's say from 69 to any percentage, then the needle will change on these slices, will move automatically with their data level. All right, let's change the productivity and see how the needle is moving on these slices with their data level. Let's say I'm taking this time 45%, so you can see this time needle is on 45% with their data level. Let's say I'm taking this time 91%, so you can see this is on 91%. So this is amazing and unique technique to show your MIS report, client report, journal dashboard report more productive and more beautiful. All right, so before wasting any extra time, let's go to our new worksheet and learn how we can create this. And before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel today, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert easily. Alright, so I will just select this productivity data and press Ctrl C to copy it. Click on this plus button to add a new worksheet and paste the data over here. Alright, first of all, I will remove the grid lines from this worksheet. So go to view and just do one check. Alright, now to create this KPI indicator chart, we need two support row. Alright, so first would be slices, that would be 10. Here you can see these are 10 slices, so I'll just click on here 10%. Alright, now just select, press Ctrl C, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and press Ctrl V. So now you can see our 10 slices is ready. Now we need to take another support row, which would be indicator. Alright, so I take a simple formula, press is equal to, and if this value is minus, then and divided by 2, then commit again. Alright, now I will take also here a value which is 3%. 3% is your actual width of your indicator. Alright, and now your rest data, which would be, press is equal to 1 means 100% minus sum of your these data. Alright, so now your data is ready. Just select your these data and go to insert tab, click on column, and here I will take this one, which is 2D stacked bar. Alright, just select it, entire chart, and go to design, click on switch row to column, then click on format and just remove shape fill as no fill and shape outline as no outline. Alright, then click on this plus button, remove axis but only vertical axis. So just click on this icon, just do uncheck mark on primary vertical, and now remove the chart title, grid lines, and also legends. Alright, now just right click any bar and go to format data series, and here take the gap width as 0. Alright, just resize it how much you want, like this. Alright, now we need to change the axis. Here you can see currently axis is 120%, so I will just select this axis, right click on it, format axis, and now we'll take minimum as 0 but the maximum as 1.02. I will tell you after some time why I have taken the maximum axis is 1.02. Alright, and the measure units is 0.1, so that the difference would be here at 10%. Then just scroll down and now in click tick marks, and now here we'll take measure type as outside and minor type also as outside. Alright, just close this. Now just select this axis, go to home and do the font color as black and do it as also bold, and take the font size around 11. Alright, now just we need to remove this extra area, so we'll just select this portion, which is this one, rest area, right click on it, go to format data series, click on fill and line, expand fill and do it as no fill. Alright, then just double click on it and do it as also no fill. Alright, just close it. Now we need to change the color of each slices, so just double click on it and go to fill and line and fill color each and every slices. Just go to solid fill, and this time I'm taking dark red. Select this one using double click. This time I'm taking this red. For this one I'm taking this one. For this one I'm taking, let's say, this one, or you can take also this one. It's not good, you can take this one. Alright, this time I'm taking, let's say, this one. For this one I'm taking this. Will take also this one. Will take also this time as and we'll take this time this one. And now for the final we'll take the dark green. Alright, so now our slices is ready. Just we need to create the indicator. So what will I do? I will just click on insert, illustration, shapes, and this time I will take shape which is this one, isosceles rectangle. Just click on it. Then just go to format after selecting this triangle and rotate it as flip vertical. Alright, now select this one, go to format, do the shape fill as darker black and the shape outline as no outline. Just resize it. Just select this rectangle, press Ctrl C to copy it and double click this one and press Ctrl V. Alright, now just remove this. So now our chart is ready, and if I will change the productivities, then the needle will move automatically. Alright, let's change and see the result. And let's say I'm taking this time. Why it is not moving? There is some formula issue. Press is equal to this one minus this one divided by 2. There is some mistake. Press is equal to this one minus this one divided by 2. Let me check first. Alright, alright, we need to just select press is equal to this one minus this one divided by 2. Alright, I have done the wrong subtraction in this formula. Alright, now let's change the result. 65. You can see this is moving. Alright, now just we need to add the data label. So just right click on this indicator, click on add data label. Now data label has been added. Just rotate it outside and just select this data label. Now this is 3, but select this, go to formula bar, press is equal to and select your actual productivity. Alright, now just go to again home tab and do the font as 11, font color as dark black and the font as bold, and take the font name as agency FB. Alright, now select this line and right click on it, format leaders line and do it as no line. Alright, so now your data label is also ready. Just keep here. And now let me tell you why I have taken here 1.02 axis, because if I will change the productivity, let's say I'm taking 100%. So now you can see the needle is proper. If I will take the axis around only 100%, then you will see the half needle it will be show. Here you can see. only half needle is showing. That's why I have taken some extra space to show your needle full. All right, just do the undo again, 1.02. All right, now it is full. Now let's just change your result and see how it is moving. All right, so this is how you can create this beautiful KPI indicator chart in Excel 2019, and I hope you will like this video. And if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you next video to teach you an amazing new chart to show your MIS report more productive. All right, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.